let's go back and take a look at the 4 distributive problems that I asked you to complete at the end of our last video. On the right of your paper, on the right of the doc, I wrote that I wanted you to multiply into the parentheses for the top 2 problems. So we multiply 2 times x and we get 2x. We multiply 2 to the 7. 2 times 7 is 14. In this case, we multiply the 5 to the 3x. 5 times 3 is 15. X. And then I multiply 5 times 6. And 5 times 6 is 30. Multiplying easy can be pretty fun, and multiplying in can be pretty fun and pretty easy. Now let's take a look at, if there are no parentheses, what we're going to do, which is to divide out the greatest common factor. I'm going to look at my problem that's right above my pointer finger, and it is 5x plus 15. I know that 5 is a common factor to both 5 and 15, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to divide both of those numbers by 5. 5x divided by 5 is x. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And I can't forget my 5, so I need to put that on the outside of my parentheses. The next problem that I have is 2x plus 16. I'm going to think about my common factor that I share in both 2 and 16, and that would be the number 2. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to write it as a miniature division problem, which also looks as like a fraction. I'm dividing it by 2 because that's the greatest common factor, so I'm going to put that on the outside of the parentheses. 2x divided by 2 gives me x. 16 divided by 2 gives me 8.